Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple trick on how to fix a loose charging port. A loose charging port is when you plug in your charger. It either doesn't charge or it charges for a while, or your charger doesn't fit in properly. So this is what a loose charging port looks like. You can see it doesn't fit in. Normally, an iPhone charging port holds firmly the charger once plugged in. So I'll be showing you how to fix this in less than 3 minutes. So all you need will be a sharp object like a needle or a paper clip, but I have a needle here. So all you do is clean the charging ports to make sure there are no dents in there. Use the needle to carefully clean out all the dirt clogging the charging port. You really have to be careful here in order not to damage the charging ports. You can see what's coming out from mine. So you clean this carefully. Carefully clean out all the dirt from the charging port. So this is what came out from mine. Make sure everything is out, every single thing. So after carefully cleaning, you can now plug in your charger to see if it charges. Now it's charging, and you can see it's fixed in. No matter how I shake it, it doesn't fall off. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.